A for apple. Apple means
सेब,
B for ball. Ball means
गेंद,
cat. Cat. Cat means
बिल्ली,
dog. Dog. Dog means
कुत्ता,
E for elephant. Elephant means
हाथी,
F for fish. Fish means
मछली,
J for giraffe. Giraffe means
जिराफ,
H for hen. Hen means
मुर्गी,
I for ink. Ink means
दवात,
J for jaguar. Jaguar means
चीता,
K for kite. Kite means
पतंग,
L for lion. Lion means
शेर,
M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर.
डर,
N for nest. Nest means
घोंसला,
O for orange. Orange means संतरा.
तरा,
P for penguin. Penguin means
कबूतर,
Q for queen. Queen means
रानी,
R for rabbit. Rabbit means
खरगोश,
S for sheep. Sheep means
जहाज,
T for tree. Tree means
पेड़,
U for umbrella. Umbrella means
छाता,
V for van. Van means
गाड़ी,
W for window. Window means
खिड़की,
X for Xmas tree. Tree means
पेड़,
Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means
खिलौना,
J for zebra. Zebra means
जेब्रा। हमारी वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें।